Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to extract audio from video Alight Motion. All you need to do is go to your Alight Motion app, then click the plus sign. Now click Create Project. Again, click the plus sign here at the bottom. Then from here, click on Audio and click Allow Access. Click Allow again and select a song you want, or click View All. Now, click Songs. Then from here, click your songs you want. And click the plus sign here. So, as you can see here, you've extract a song in your Alight Motion. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again!